Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this simple okra soup. It's easy, it's simple, and it's super delicious. Go well with most swallows. Anyways, do want to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me in the comment section, and I'll be glad to know where you're watching from. So I've already pre-washed my protein. I have salmon here. I have cow skin, which is called wele in my local dialect. I have some pork and I have some cow meat in there. So these are the protein that I'm going to use. Did I say I have salmon? Because yeah, I do have salmon. So this is my seasoning. This is seasoning of my choice that I'm just going to mix together and then add onto my protein. You can use any seasoning of your choice. This is some salt, some beef spices, some Maggi cube that I've just mixed together to season my protein. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this and leave it to cook. And while that is happening, I've already chopped my okra. Just gonna add water to this and then also leave it to cook. Please do make sure to stir your okra while it's on fire frequently because you do not want it to spill and cause a mess in your kitchen. So in a pan, I've added red oil into it. I'm just going ahead to add some diced onion into it and allow it to saute for some few minutes. And into this, I'm going to add my blended pepper. Now, I only had green scotch pepper, so I had to blend that. But do feel free to add any pepper that you want. This is my green scotch pepper that I had. So I'm just going to add this and allow it to cook for some few minutes also. Into this, I'm going to add some chopped onions. No, I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes and also allow it to saute for some few minutes. So after some few minutes, this is what we have. Our base is perfectly cooked. So I'm just going ahead to add seasoning to it, and literally our base is done. We are ready to add our protein and our okra, and we are literally done with our delicacy, guys. So into this, I'm going ahead to add my protein with the stock all into my base. Now do be careful with your seasoning because our base already have all the seasoning in it, so you really have to be careful when adding salt or any other seasoning to your base. Now I'm just going to allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll add my okra to this, and we are literally done, guys. Our okra is ready to be enjoyed. So in goes our okra, and we are literally done, guys. One thing I would say is that immediately you pour your okra into your base, do well to turn off the stove because the heat will make your okra less slimy. So what I do is that I immediately turn off my stove and let the heat in the base cook it, because do remember our okra is already cooked, so there's no need for you to overly cook it on fire. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.